Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Fine, what about you?
Yeah, fine. So, can I have your resume,
Yes,
please?
ma'am.
So, your name?
Shivani, ma'am.
So, where are you from?
Hyderabad, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shivani. I am living in Hyderabad. Recently, I have completed my graduation in Kids College with stream of ECE. My technical skills are I am good at Java. My hobbies are playing chess. As a part of my academic, I did two projects. One is about human safety wearable device. Another is about a novel approach of steganography using pixel-based algorithm. My soft skills are quick learner. My hobbies are playing chess. My strength is my self-confidence. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, you are having a hobby called chess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell something about chess?
Yes, ma'am. There are 64 blocks. 8 are the soldiers. The two players are playing. Opposite players have 16 and another party also 16. 8 are soldiers. 8 are the types of rook, bishop, knight, king, queen. The bishop will move forward and backward direction. The knight will move in L shape. The bishop will move in diagonal direction. The king will move only one step forward at the time of checkmate. The queen will move in any direction. That's it.
Okay. So, what is your weakness?
Focusing only on one work until it complete, I won't move to another work.
Another work.
Yes.
But in software, multitasking is very important.
Yes.
So, how can you handle that situation then?
I will complete one work at particular time. Again, I will move to another work.
Another work.
Yes.
Okay. So, can you explain something about your major project and what is the role you have played in your project?
My project is about a novel approach of steganography using pixel-based algorithm. My role is about backend. I am the second team player.
Okay.
It is the project is about in present era there will be a hacker choice. Our confident data and personal information is going out by the chance of hacking. To prevent it some extent, we are using the steganography. Means we can hide the images or the data by using the steganography by using the embedded system. The cover image will be hide our personal data, like the image will divide as a pixel. In each pixel the data will be covered.
So the data will be covered.
Yes.
Okay. So you are good at core Java.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
You are confident.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the difference between abstraction and encapsulation?
Okay. Abstraction and encapsulation is the future of OOPS.
Okay.
Abstraction, it hides the data, it hides the unnecessary data. It shows only the essential data. Encapsulation is the data and code in a single unit or entity. It hides the data as the outside world. It's also an issue by design level. It's also an issue by the implementation level. It is implemented by using the abstract classes and interfaces. The encapsulation is designed by the access modifiers like the private, public, protected. It holds the data in the access, it holds the data as a code, it can hide the data as it hides the data.
Okay. What is enumeration?
Enumeration is same as the class. Enumeration contains the some constants. It can also support the variables, it supports the constant. It is not possible to create an object to the enumeration. All enumerations are subclasses of enum. It is present in the java.lang package.
Okay.
To retrieve the constant from the enumeration, we use the value method. This method returns the constant into an enumeration array.
Okay. Can the interface be final? Can we keep
No.
any interface as a final?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Because interface in Java is a class. It contain only the methods and fields, but it have the static and final. We can't implement, so that we not use the final method.
Okay. Can you declare an interface methods as static?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
We cannot make
Make the
interface
interface
methods as static.
Because static is
So-
overridden, ma'am.
Overridden.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the advantages of encapsulation?
Encapsulation advantages are flexibility, reusability,
Mm.
data protection. For example, data protection. The data and code will be in a single unit. It is protected from the external inheritance. For example, if any programmer tries to hack our program, they only know they can change any the getter or setter method by using the read and write methods. They can't change the variables and data names.
Okay. So what is a package? What is the definition of package?
Package is a directory or folder. It contains group of classes and interfaces. When the programmer want to use any classes or interfaces, they can use the import corresponding package. Like we can keep the import package as the beginning of the program, so that we can take the classes and interfaces by that.
Okay. How many types of packages are there?
Example: Java IO package, util package, lang package.
How many types of packages?
How many types of packages?
We are having built-in packages,
Yes.
user-defined packages.
User-defined and the built-in packages. User-defined packages are the user will be created. Built-in packages are the already exist in the program.
Can we write a finally block without a catch block?
Yes, ma'am. It is not mandatory to use catch block in final. We will use the try and final block.
We can use
Try and final.
directly try and finally block. So then what is the purpose of finally block?
Finally, it will give the output of the. It's not move to the other methods.
What is exception propagation?
The exception propagation occurs at the time of the. It will move top of the stack. It happens in the unchecked exception. If it is not caught, then it will move down to the call stack to the preceding method. Then also it not caught, it will move forward to the other preceding method. It will continue the method up to the bottom of the call stack.
What is string pool?
String pool. String pool is the nothing but the storage area in Java. The string pool will store the objects. It is mainly useful for the object allocation, but it is default. It is empty and privately maintained.
Okay. Why are the objects are immutable in Java? Why are the objects are immutable in Java?
Objects is immutable. Object is considered as a immutable if its state can't change after it's constructed.
After it constructed.
We can't change the objects.
Okay. So what is the purpose of toString method? Okay, in Java. You are using toString
Yes,
method or not?
Yes.
So what is the main purpose of that?
The toString method, it returns the string representation of the data.
String representation of the data. Okay. What are the advantages and disadvantages of inner class?
Advantage of the inner class is the
So where we can use inner class actually?
nested classes, ma'am. Like the member inner class, anonymous inner class, local inner class. Member inner class is a class created within the class and outside the methods. Anonymous class, a class created within the implementation of the classes, interfaces and the extending the class. The Java compiler decides the name. And local inner class, a class created within the method.
So what are the advantages of inner class then?
We can reduce the code.
We can reduce the code. Okay.
Disadvantages are it is difficult to understand the inexperienced program because they don't know about the inner class is so long. We can implement total number of classes. The programmer can't understand.
Okay. How can an object be unreferenced?
Object be unreferenced is no longer time to use the unreferenced object in the class. It will not mark as a delete as it will not mark to delete the programmer if it is a chance to delete. Automatically deleted, so the memory is not used for the unreferenced object as a requirement.
Okay. So Do you have any knowledge on how many types of methods are there in Java?
Methods. Two types, ma'am. Method overloading and method overriding.
That will be done in the polymorphism,
Polymorphism,
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am asking how many methods are there in Java? In OOPS concepts, there are some methods. Can you name some methods? No? Okay. So can you write down your program, one program? Okay. So write a Java program to remove duplicate characters in a given string. Okay. Use string. In that, whatever the duplicate characters you are having, you need to remove the duplicate characters and print the remaining string onto the screen. Okay. Write down the logic for that. Okay.
I'm taking the class as the class name as the demo. I'm starting with the public main method, public static void main. String args. Now starting the program as a string. Now giving the string s equal to any name as a string. I am mentioning the name as Shivani. String builder. I am using the string builder.
String builder spelling is wrong.
String builder.
So
Second letter we have to take as the capital letter.
what is string builder class? What is the purpose of string builder class?
It is the object to store, ma'am.
Object to store.
Yes.
It is synchronized or not synchronized?
Synchronized, ma'am.
Synchronized.
We can change append. In that we can keep the append value.
Okay. Append method and everything is okay. Builder is synchronized.
Asynchronized, ma'am. It is not same.
Right down.
String builder. SB is the object. SB equal to new string builder. I am taking the for loop. For loop starting with I equal to 0 and this length is I is less than s dot length method and iterating for next methods I plus plus. Code starts character char for assigning for all characters are single character for char ch equal to char ch equal to this is length is s so s dot caret a is the capital
Once
of
for loop. So can we write like that for loop?
for loop I is I equal to
See, you need to write down the first syntax. You have mentioned LOOP. Why you are
Okay,
mentioning?
No,
But don't be tensed. If you are having confidence, just write down, okay?
okay ma'am. Char ch equal to s dot caret. This length is I now we will start with I. Position of the index we will take as the int index equal to s dot index of character ch comma incrementing I plus 1. If index double equal to minus 1, the code will closed system dot out dot removing duplicate characters from a string. for the string builder no means SB.
Okay.
The output is it again the string builder as the Shivani. It will remove all the duplicate characters. Like for loop I equal to 0. It will check from I is 0, s dot length. Length is the this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Length is the 7. It will check it for the I equal to s is same or not. Int index.
Okay, you have used a string buffer class,
Yes,
string
string
builder
builder.
class. Okay, so where we have used a string buffer class, string builder class in the program?
Here last SB.
Last ASP. So did you store any string in string builder then?
No.
So you need to pass the string object into the string builder class or not then?
Yes, here passing string as s dot caret of indexes and here
Okay, you are printing SB,
SB as
here.
here.
So if you are not passing any string into the SB, then how it can be printed the string?
Checking the logic now.
Array, you have written string buffered class, string builder class or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that string builder class, you did not pass any string. So how the output will be printed? I am asking. String builder SB is equal to new string builder of yes. Then you need to pass string object into the string builder class. Then only it will store that string into string builder, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how it will be print if you are not passing the object into the string builder class? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, your technical round is completed. Okay. And what are your salary expectations?
I don't have an expectation of salary because I am a fresher. I want to enhance my skills and knowledge. I have some knowledge, but I have to enhance my knowledge as a good platform where I can get knowledge. I choose your company will giving me a platform to learn and enhance my skills and knowledge. So I came here, ma'am.
Okay. Why I need to hire you?
As a fresher, I have knowledge about theoretical and practical somewhat. If you give me a chance, I will implement in your company and will give you a growth of your company.
Okay. So do you have any questions to ask me?
How much time? Yes, ma'am.
So
When you will give me the promotion? For
based
next
on
level.
your performance, maybe it will be taken 1 year, it may be taken 2 years. Okay? It may be 6 months. If your performance is do good, if you are doing the projects well, then definitely we will give you a good promotion for you. Definitely.
When you will give me offer letter?
So within 1 week.
Okay.
Okay. So training period will be start at a time. So if we gathered all the people, so then we will inform you. We will release your offer letter.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, your interview is completed. Okay. So just wait outside. Our HRs will inform you for the further information.